So, hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech Hack. And I'm here back with part two, in which I'll show you exactly how we insert into our Google Sheets with the help of our HTML form. So, before that, let's take a quick look at what we had before. So, we had these notes which contained of the Google email ID and the spreadsheet ID, which I told you to keep, and a .json file that got downloaded from our Google Cloud Console. So now let's get straight into the code and I'll show you how it's set up. I'm going to just walk you through it. I'm going to explain a bit of it because I can't explain the whole code. It will be a very long video, but I'll just give you a quick view of it. So let's just go here. So here on my right, you can see that there is a credentials.json file. It's the same file that got downloaded. I've just renamed it to credentials.json because that's how exactly I've used it. Okay. And in the env variables, okay, so you'll have to set up an environment file where I have declared a spreadsheet ID which is going to be used in our program. Then the port on which our backend will run and the sheet name on which you're gonna insert. So the sheet name is actually nothing, but it's just, if you come here to your sheet, you'll see that it's sheet 1. So this is basically the name of the sheet. Okay, so now let's get back to the code. And our code starts from the index.js file, which we have built on Node.js, and we have used Express as the bundler for it. We've also used bottleneck, which takes us out from situations like deadlock, where we get a burst of multiple requests. So we wrap our function write sheets into it, and append sheets, it's just a endpoint, which is a post endpoint which will get hit, and we'll get our request body here, and this will be passed to the write sheets function. So now let's just look into it. What it does is it gets us authenticated to our credentials.json file into the Google Sheets API. Then what it does is it creates an instance of the Google Sheets. Then it appends to it. Yes, it appends to it. So what we have done here is we have taken this sheet. Sheet is nothing but a constant variable which has the value of the environment variable which we have just declared up there, like this. You can see exactly like this. So here it's the spreadsheet ID, and this is basically from which column to which column you want to insert, and these are the values that will be inserted. So the data from the API is actually nothing but it's a variable or a parameter which will be passed on to this function from our request body, and we'll just restructure it into the username, email, and mobile which we are going to send with the help of our front-end HTML form. So now let's just see how it all works. Okay, so here if I come back to the form, and I'll also actually open the console for you guys to see how it's working. So if I type on the name, let's go like Tech Hack, and let's also type the email techhack@gmail.com, or you can, yeah, I'm not worrying about the spellings right now because I just want to show you the tutorials, because basically there aren't any validations into it. Okay, so any mobile number works, and if you just click on register, oh, so yeah, you'll get this error because if you'll try to set it up on your own, but now I'll tell you how to escape it. All right, so yeah, here it says check logs. It says check logs because this is a customized error created by me, and we have worked on this application very closely. So we have built a separate logs file which logs in all the errors with the line number. So here it says is the caller does not have permission. It is a very big chance that you will get this error too, and it will be because of the email ID. And now the email ID that I told you to copy will come into use. So just copy this email ID out, and what you gotta do is just navigate to your Google Sheets, go on to the share icon. All right, paste in this email ID, give it the editor access like this, and just click on send. So now the is updated, and the email ID of our service account now has access to this sheet. So now it will probably be able to insert into it like very easily. So let's just open our terminal, run our code again, and we shouldn't be getting any errors this time. So now let's see what happens. Well, let's submit the form again. Check why me form. So here you see now the status success, and if I navigate to my sheets, you see here is the record. It wasn't there. Now just to reconfirm you on this, let's make another entry into it. Tech1 at ymail.com, and mobile number be anything, any random thing. Click on it. Success. And if you navigate to your sheet, you can see the record has been inserted successfully. So yeah, that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you want the full code, the full source code of it, the link will be in description. Contact us. We'll be happy to set it up on your PCs. Thank you for watching. If you like the content, please subscribe to my channel, and also like the videos. Also go through all the videos, because these are all being such innovative ideas which will surely help you get through your technical problems. And till then, bye bye.